In this video, I will show you how to streamline your search engine optimization process by using the power of artificial intelligence to generate perfect headlines. If you find yourself struggling to create catchy titles that also rank well on Google, this workflow is exactly what you need. Most bloggers spend far too much time overthinking their metadata, but you can actually automate this entire task using a single prompt in Claude. Before you begin, ensure that your instance of Claude has access to browse your live site or is connected via an automation tool like Zapier or a dedicated WordPress plugin to allow it to communicate with your dashboard. To get started, you will need to copy a specific prompt designed to trigger a deep analysis of your content. You will tell Claude to find and read your specific WordPress post by providing the exact article title. You then instruct the AI to analyze the main content and generate 3 unique, high click-through rate SEO titles. It is important to specify that these should be under 60 characters and must naturally include your primary keyword. What makes this workflow truly powerful is the instruction for Claude to automatically save the best option directly into your Yoast or Rank Math SEO title field. While the AI performs the update in the background, it will also display all 3 variations in the chat for your final review. This ensures that you stay in control while the technology handles the heavy lifting. By integrating Claude into your WordPress routine, you eliminate the guesswork and technical friction of SEO management. You will see an immediate improvement in how your articles are presented in search results without having to manually edit every single post on your site. Once the process is finished, just double-check your dashboard to see the new title live and ready to attract more clicks.